Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, and I am here with, I believe, entry number 34. Entry is from Mara Concepción, and I apologize if I butcher your name, but her and I met because we did a fall Halloween tag swap, and I shared that in previous videos if you'd like to go check back. Got it backwards, so let's just see if I can grab a hold and pull out. I was not expecting. Oh my goodness. Is this the candy I loved so much? Wait, this is, okay, coconut sweet. Okay, I think the one she sent, now I could be wrong. I think the one she sent me before was like a pineapple coconut. And oh my gosh, y'all, I could not quit eating it. I love you, sweetheart, but oh my gosh, it was just amazing. So thank you for this. I cannot wait to dig in, and as soon as this video is over, I'm going right back into it. And then she's put everything in a little baggie. So let's just see. Oh, some pom-poms. I love pom-poms, y'all. I don't know why I don't. Oh my goodness, those are so colorful. Thank you. She sent me a mini pocket letter. Oh, I love it. And look at all that gorgeous eyelash trim. Oh my goodness. And then she's got some washi tape right here. She's done it in a fall theme. She loves fall. That was what, when we did our tag swap, she had, instead of doing Halloween, she had wanted me to do a fall theme. And I just really loved that fall theme. This is amazing. I love this eyelash trim. And of course, you know I love my sparkle. Anything that sparkles. So, okay. So she has added in the front. She has added. Let me make sure that the light's not glaring. It says fall, sweet fall. And then it looks, I want to feel, yeah. It looks like she has added confetti and stickers onto this cutout. And then she's got this gold background. How cute. Fall is in the air. And look at that cute, sweet squirrel on a stump. And it's got the acorn. I can feel that. That's acorns. And she added some bling. Cute little mushrooms, more bling. How cute. And look at this. Give thanks. Give thanks. And then she's added the little bling up there with the eye. And then she's added a large jewel and then, or a larger bling. And then she's added some leaf with this little stinky cute hedgehog with the little pilgrim hat. How cute is that? And then the back. Oh my goodness. I have never in my life seen something like that. They look like mini pencils. Oh my goodness, sweetheart. Can y'all see that? Let me see if I can make sure it's not glaring. Is it focusing? Oh my goodness, they're so tiny I don't want to take them out. I have never in my life. Did you make these? I mean, they're almost like they look like toothpicks that have been painted and cut. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to look at these a little bit closer. I hope y'all can see those. Wow. That is a stinking amazing idea, number one. And number two, I may have to borrow it. But I promise if I do, I'll give you credit. Let me know if you made these, sweetheart. I need to know. Did you buy these somewhere or did you make them? I mean, my first thought is that you made them just simply because I've never seen anything like it. Never. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. Okay. And then look at this gorgeous trim she has sent me. It's in like a blue, a light blue, and it's got the shiny metallic threads mixed in. And this is like a seafoam green that's got the shiny threads mixed in too. Let's see if y'all can see that. I don't think my camera's doing it justice. Man, that's gorgeous. Thank you for sharing that with me. Oh, man. And then she's got me some cutouts. Y'all know I love my cutouts. I'm all the time using them. And when I don't have to do the work, and also not only that, but the papers that y'all have that I don't. Look at that gorgeous orange copper color. Can y'all see that? Yeah, see, I don't have these type of papers. Oh, that's so pretty. Ah, I love that. I love my bling, my sparkles, and I love my blue. Oh, look at all these individuals. This is such a good idea. I can so borrow this idea again. I mean, I've sent a few out to people, but wow. I love it. Thank you, sweetheart. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, these will work great for Christmas. Oh my gosh, and it's the metallic greens. I've got to get me some metallic paper. I just ordered some glitter off of Amazon. And I tried to find metallic, but I was a little kind of nervous of what I found. So I can't decide. Look at the polka dots. And that one's got sparkle all over it. Is that not so fun and festive? Oh my gosh, darling. I love it. Oh, y'all just have made my birthday complete. Absolutely complete. And then let's look at her memory decks. Look how stinking cute Minnie Mouse is. She's got the balloons and they're all glittered up and it says love and it's Minnie. And she's holding the balloons and the cupcake. And then she's got the paper, crepe paper with the bling all the way across. And then she's got presents all the way around. If that's not a birthday celebration, I don't know what is. Thank you, sweetheart. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Oh, and she's got the music notes. Y'all, I love music. I love it. And then she's got presents back here. And I don't know if you actually did this. I do this a lot. So I add the swirls or the glitter bling or whatever just to add a little touch. So I don't know if you did that or not, but I love it. So thank you. And then she's made me a little card. So let me read a little bit of something about Mira. She is Mira Concepción. She's from Puerto Rico. And that's one of the reasons why she's got some great goodies. And then she does not, I do not believe she does not do YouTube. But she, like I said, we met by being grouped up in a swap, and I'm so thankful for that. Her birthday is April the 13th. Her color is blue. Girl, we have that in common. She loves gray, black, pink. Sometimes. I love pink all the time, but our colors are right on point with each other. No wonder why we've connected. Her store is Walmart and Capri. I'm not sure what Capri is, but her favorite food is lasagna. Oh my gosh. I stinking love it. I don't get to have it often anymore, but her favorite snack is chocolate or any sweet. Her cookie is Cameo. Her craft is anything I can learn to do. Pocket letters, tags, and cards. Note of that, sweetheart. She says she loves watching YouTube channels and learning. Me too. Now let's see real quick. She has gifted me some cute stickers. I need you to, Mara, do me a favor. Can you send me an email? I'd like to find out some things. Like, I've talked with Zuli C, and she's told me y'all don't, or at least she don't have. I love these stinking cards. I love the gold foil, y'all. I love anything foil related. And she has sent me the cards and the envelopes. Thank you for this, darling. Thank you so, so much. But in her area, she does not have a Dollar Tree. And so there's a few things that she would like to receive that I picked up for her. But I would like to connect with you because I would like to help you like I'm helping her. And by the way, if you're watching, Zuli, your package should be out Monday or Tuesday. Look at the back of this. Hello and happy birthday. But I love to help when I can of those who do not have like a Dollar Tree. And my Dollar Tree is not the best Dollar Tree, but the fact that that if you don't have one at all, then what I have, you know, maybe I could find something like I did for Zuli. So I would like for you to do me a favor and email me if you can so we can touch base and kind of stay connected a little bit better. Let me look over this real quick. Here's what she says in her card. And this is November 2019. I love that she dated it. She says, "Hi, Carmen. Happy birthday. Happy anniversary. Happy Thanksgiving. And happy Black Friday." I love that. That cracked me up. Sending my second. This is only her second memory decks. Oh my gosh, I love it. Sending my second memory decks card done for challenges. My first memory decks card, very simple. My second, yours. Simple, but with lots of love. I feel that love, sweetheart. I do want to learn to make a memory decks card with lots and lots of layers. They look gorgeous. I want to learn that too. Bethy's Boutique is a good one to watch. She's definitely knows how to layer those up. There's several out there, but she's just one that kind of pops in my head. Hope your days are filled with lots of love, happiness, and health. Many blessings. Remember to eat cake, ice cream, and sweets. Celebrate, have fun. Hugs, Mara. Thank you. Thank you, my dear sweet friend. I am so thrilled that we have met. And I'm grateful for you. And I'm about to dig in to some... I know I got to be careful. I may share with the hubby this time. I didn't share last time. I wanted to, but I just kept eating them. Anyway, I love y'all. I hope you have enjoyed this. She is such a sweetheart. And I hope y'all try to get to know her. I know, like I said, I know she doesn't do videos. But go join her channel in case we can ever convince her to do videos. Anyway, thank y'all so much. I wish you the best. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I've got another one coming up. So I wish you all the best always.